Hey guys, this is Peyton Youngblood. I'll be doing our week 4 lab on sound, and I tried to find a lab that no one had done yet, so I'll be doing one basically like measuring the amount of water that's in jars, and that'll affect how the sound is produced. So we have 3 jars. In the first one, I'm gonna put just a little bit of water. The second one, I'm gonna fill it about halfway up. And the third one, I'm gonna fill it almost all the way up. And then I'm also gonna put food coloring in these so you can see the water levels. Okay, so with this lab, I'm going to show you the different noises that will come from each water level. So, and you can tell that there's a significant sound difference in the 3 of them. I'll do it again for you. Okay, so the question that I'm supposed to answer is, what claim about sound can you support from evidence from this device? So basically, sound is caused by the vibration of things. So when I hit the side of the glass with the spoon, that was causing the water to vibrate. And then basically the more water that is in the jar, the lower the pitch is going to be of the water. And then the smaller amount of water, the pitch is going to be higher. So I just thought that this would be a really fun experiment to do with kids in the classroom, and I think that they would really enjoy it. So thank you.